Hey guys, how you all doing? Hope you're all keeping well. I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome to the channel where once again I'm going to be sharing with you another quick tip. Well, actually a couple of quick tips today for your LG TV. So let's crack on with the video. As always with these videos, please bear in mind that these quick tips may not work on your particular model, and the model that I am using today is the B8 OLED, so please bear that in mind. Right, for today's quick tip, we are going to need to access the accessibility settings, and there are a couple of ways of doing this. So the first way is to grab your remote control and do a long press on the settings button just there. Hold that down for a few seconds and that will bring up your main menu, and then you can simply highlight accessibility and go into it that way. But also you can press once on the home button just there. This will bring up this menu here with all your apps on it, and you just scroll across until you get to accessibility on there. But there is also the Tech Giant way of doing things. So you grab your remote control, and this is your first quick tip. What you do is go to the mute button and hold that down. A few seconds later you are straight into the accessibility settings. So there you go, there is your first little tip. Now for today's main tip, I'd like to call it the dark mode really. And as you can see here, this menu at the moment is transparent, and we've got a menu going on in the background to do with Sky. So in person it looks maybe a little bit busy, bit confusing on the eyes maybe. Yes, you can see it, but it, you know, with the background there, it just makes it a little bit awkward to see. But what you can do is go to menu transparency and literally just turn it off, and there you go. You've got basically a dark mode. So that just now makes it solid and just a lot more easier to see, a lot more pleasing to the eye, I feel. So yeah, I think it's one I'll be definitely turning on, or should I say off, turning transparency off. Just smartens it up a little bit. So there you go. There you have it then, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video today, and if you did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then why not think about subscribing for more of the same in the future. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.